she puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Gee, I wish it would stop raining so I could play outside.
Audrey! Little Audrey, what you trying to do? Incinerate this house?
Well, I can't play outside. It's raining. Oh, I wish it would never rain again.
That's a bad wish, child. We need the rain for flowers and for lots of things.
I don't care. I wish it would never, never, never rain again.
Joe sent me.
Okay.
Water! Water!
Oh, my poor little flowers.
Water! Water!
Little Audrey, you wished it. Me? Gee, I miss no harm. If you want water, you must ask the Rainmaker to forgive you. But where can I find him? Come along with me. Yes, lots and lots of water. Look, there's little Audrey. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Yeah! Beat it, Drip. You're all wet. You'll need an umbrella. This is a spring shower. Ooh, it's raining cats and dogs. Audrey the Rainmaker.
Ah, beautiful flowers.
Oh, Mr. Rainmaker, sir.
It's you.
I'm sorry I made that wish.
Tish, Tish. A wish is a wish.
Tell him about your poor little flowers. But, Mr. Rainmaker, my flowers need showers. So April showers, they come your way. They bring the flowers that bloom in May.
Flowers in May.
So if it's raining, have no regret. Because it isn't raining rain, you know. It's a raining violet.
Violet.
And where you see clouds way upon the hill, you soon will see crowds of daffodils. So keep on looking for a bluebird and listening for his song. Whenever April showers come along. Love that Rainmaker.